It's like a baby. It's like a baby carriage noise. I feel like I'm a baby in a baby carriage. That's what's up. Got the baby carriage noise with the spinner while I'm looking up. Keep me occupied with a smile. That's what's up. Like, mama, why'd you got me this? I'm so fucked up. Thank you, yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up. Got that little space and gumming above me while I'm baby rocking in my crate. That's what's up. That's what's up. Picturing I'm a baby in my cradle while I'm looking up at my space turning thing. That's what's up. All I hear is the melody. That's what's up. Keep me smiling. That's what's up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When we baby, we don't need drugs till we getting high off life. That's what's up. I be still getting high off life, but I wanna medicate. Don't hate me for one popping pills. That's what's up. Smoking weed and drinking lean, yo. I just want a big bag with some pussy on the side. That's what's up. Yeah, I love all my women. That's what's up. Love all my women. That's what's up. I'm gonna shop to the bros. That's what's up. But I gotta keep the pussy around me. If I had to pick, I'ma pick my hoes. That's what's up. But I gotta have my drugs. That's what's up. Yeah, keep me medicated. That's what's up. Without my dope, I don't feel like me. I just feel temperated. I just feel aggressive and wanna fuck this shit up. I just need my medication, yeah. I can still be aggressive, that's what's up. But at the end of the time, when I have my medication, I feel like me, that's what's up. Feel calm, but I can rip the track up, that's what's up. With my medication, yeah, that's what's up. Feeling numb, that's what's up. No pain to my body, yeah. Thank you, God, for helping me. That's what's up. I just pray to God He helps me keep getting my medication no matter what. Nobody thinks this is my life. This is my life, and I should live it the way I wanna live it. It's not your life, none of your people, yeah. All y'all can't represent me. We don't have to disagree. We don't have to agree to disagree. I know I be fucking up my raps, that's okay. I just hope I get some pussy, yeah. Until, yeah, cause I'm about to die. I might just die, yeah, one of these days. We could be here and gone tomorrow, that's what's up. Got the baby remedy, that's what's up. Got the baby remedy, that's what's up. Pass me my bag, thank you, yeah. Medicated, yeah. High to the sky.